Welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you the recrystallization of sulfur under a microscope. Check this out. So in order to recrystallize sulfur, we have to first dissolve it in toluene. So I'll use some toluene and a hot plate, a small 250 milliliter beaker, and then we'll take a look at it as it recrystallizes under my microscope. The first step is to just add 50 milliliters of toluene to a beaker. Next, add 2 grams of powdered sulfur to your toluene. Next, heat your toluene to dissolve the sulfur crystals. Be careful not to overheat your toluene as it has an auto-ignition temperature of 896 degrees Fahrenheit. Just heat it until the sulfur is completely dissolved. Once you can see that the sulfur is completely dissolved in the toluene, prepare a slide and a slip cover. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.